Hi. So we get asked quite a lot of the times the best brush to use on your artificial grass. So we thought we'd do a quick demonstration on the 4 brooms that we use. Starting off on the left there with a small hand brush, going to the Gorilla Broom, the Spear and Jackson Broom and the Grandy Groomy. So this is the smallest of our brushes. It's a little horse mane brush, but a lady's hairbrush will do just as well. It's got nice stiff bristles on it. What this means that you can get deep into the grass, so that if you have a heavy use area like out of a shed where you walk a lot or a doorway, you can get right deep into the pile to lift it back up. During winter, you may want to use a little bit of warm water with it. That helps just stimulate the blades. This broom here is our Gorilla Broom. We use this as our general broom. It works very, very well with artificial grass. Also with concrete, just general sweeping up really. But the guys find this really good on our installs. For some reason, the bristles on them really get into the grass nicely, can sweep it up cleanly, and does just an overall, just a good all-round broom really. Now this is a broom by Grandy Groomy. It's very specific to carpets, artificial grass. It's not to be used as a general broom really. It's ideal for scraping up the leaves and moving stuff about and lifting the pile, but that's all it can do. They're becoming increasingly harder to get hold of, unfortunately. I think that's due to the cost of them coming into the country. But overall, a good rake, a good overall clearer for the garden. But that's all it does and can't be used for general broom. Now this is a broom that we've just started using on the company. It's by Spear and Jackson, and it's a specialist artificial grass broom. As you can see, as we sweep now through the leaves, it gets right into the blades and picks the leaves up nicely and scoops them along. We're finding this really successful over the other brooms. If you turn it around, if you want to, and brush it the other way, it'll also be used as a normal broom. So it's really, really good little bit of kit. So yeah, so if you're thinking of getting a broom, then hope that helps with your choices. Okay.